Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Fiesta versus Golf 5. We'll explore key differences in performance, interior comfort, and overall value to help you decide which car best suits your needs. Consider your daily commute and priorities like fuel efficiency or cabin space as we delve into the specifics of each model. Let's get started by looking at their general characteristics. When it comes to performance, the Fiesta often feels more nimble and responsive, making it a joy in urban environments. Its smaller engines are generally very fuel efficient. The Golf 5, however, tends to offer a more substantial feel on the road, with a wider range of engine options, including some powerful variants. It provides a comfortable and composed ride, particularly on longer journeys, appealing to those who prioritize refinement. Inside, the Fiesta provides a practical and straightforward cabin, focusing on ease of use. While comfortable, its materials are generally more basic. The Golf 5, on the other hand, often boasts a more upscale interior with soft-touch plastics and better sound insulation, contributing to a quieter ride. It also typically offers more rear passenger legroom and a slightly larger boot, making it a bit more versatile for families or longer trips. Considering value, the Fiesta often presents a more budget-friendly option, both in initial purchase and ongoing running costs, thanks to its efficiency. The Golf 5, while potentially more expensive upfront, often holds its value well and offers a more premium experience. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize agile handling and economy or refinement and space. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.